World Telecom Philippine Internet Mobile Data. I want to assist for your working about to me in speech to access around the world to our politics and World War III, your Philippines and China Sea. Over to me speech and social media. Hindi naman kayo nagbabayad sa akin, Mr. President of the Philippines, America, China, and over the data basis today. Ngayon, sisingilin ko ang globe sa Philippines ng 100 million pesos against to my story to me 2015 and 2024. Nag-i-report ako dito to speech around the world. Pero hindi kayo nagbabayad sa akin ng pera. Pera ko ang ginagamit ko sa internet to YouTube and connection the world to my post my YouTube channel and uploaded to video all apps platform to government connections to Miss Divari online about religion. Napakarami yung utang sa akin. Hindi na kayo nakakabayad sa akin, President of the Philippines, China. Sisiguraduhin ko kayong mamamatay kayo. Ako mismo papatay sa inyo. Ayaw sa gusto nyo. You wanna call to military and police before yourself? I wanna die too. Because you're all bunking people to misbelieve. Well, lahat sila susunod sa'yo. Death. Kaya ngayon pa lang, dapat nga libre ang aking NIT, Internet Philippines data. Gumagamit pa ako ng load para lang mag-internet, di ba? Baka nakakalimutan mo Philippines, President America, China. I am a hero to the world about this story to me is end time. Before the Christ in you, World War II Revolution. So, anong gagawin mo? Suicide ka na lang, for sure. You're going to hell immediately.